Hello, and welcome to the first episode of the Food Industry Challenge. I'm your host, Luis Vega, and we are here in the historic Petaluma Creamery. We have 3 contestants who are new employees in the food industry. They will be given a challenge that is designed to build their knowledge on how to work safely in a food processing plant. The winner will be declared champion and must return to defend his or her title in our next challenge.
I'm Daria. I'm a little frazzled because my alarm didn't go off this morning, and I thought I was going to be late.
I'm Maria Thomas, and I really want to do well. My kids are back in school, so I just got back to work, and I'm really excited to take on this challenge right away.
My name's Victor. I'm feeling pretty confident. I was promoted to assistant manager at my last job, and this seems like a good, solid industry where I can really grow.
Welcome, contestants. All right. So, as you all know, the competition is going to be judged by our panel of experts. So let's meet them now. We have Alan Patel, food safety educator, Yolanda Fox, HR director, and SARA MORAN, food industry consultant. SARA, why don't you start off with introducing today's challenge?
Well, I would, but they're not ready. Just look at them, they're not ready. They are not dressed appropriately to work in a food processing plant.
Maria, you're beautifully dressed for an office job, but this is a food processing plant, and I'm afraid that heels, loose-fitting clothing, dresses, or skirts, they're not allowed.
And Victor, shorts, sleeveless shirts, sandals, these are not appropriate in most food processing plants either.
Daria, the fuzzy stuff on your sweater can fall off and wind up in the food. But more important, your clothes are dirty. How can you come to work with dirty clothes? You're working around food.
At least I wasn't late. You know, I was in a hurry, and I just grabbed these and put them on. I didn't realize that they were dirty.
She was completely disgusting. I could smell her. She should take a shower or something. Everybody knows you're supposed to be clean before you come to work, especially when you're working with food.
Rules are set up for 2 things: the safety of the employees and also to prevent contamination of the food. Contaminants include chemicals, microorganisms, and foreign objects.
Not one of you is wearing gloves. You have to wear gloves when handling food and packaging materials.
Hands, let's see your hands. Look at here.
Maria, you're not allowed to wear any jewelry in the plant.
Clips and fasteners can fail and stones can fall out. And parts of jewelry or jewelry can fall into and contaminate the food.
And is Daria wearing nail polish?
Yeah, and the nail polish is chipped, which means that flakes could come off and fall into the food.
This is exactly what we require, your nails to be clean and trimmed without nail polish or artificial nails.
Is that a cut on Victor's hand?
Yeah, I cut it working on my car.
Yeah, well, wounds should be covered up with a bandage and a glove. As a matter of fact, some companies have special bandages that can be detected by a metal detector if they fall into the product.
Okay, we're going to send you back, and when you return, we want you dressed, ready to work. Your hands need to be washed thoroughly before you put on the gloves. And after you put on the gloves, they need to be sanitized. Go.
Well, we aren't off to a very good start here in the Food Industry Challenge, but let's see how you do by answering a few questions. Which of these hands is ready to put on gloves? No, that's incorrect. Nail polish and false fingernails are not allowed because if they chip, they could fall in the food and contaminate it with chemicals and bacteria. Try again. Which of these hands is ready to put on gloves? That's right. The hand is clean, trimmed, and without polish, artificial nails, or jewelry. There's an appropriate bandage covering a cut or sore. Which of these people is appropriately dressed for work? No, that's incorrect. Sleeveless tops are not allowed. Try again. Which of these people is appropriately dressed for work? That's right. These clothes are all clean and appropriate. No shorts, skirts, dresses, or sleeveless tops. No fuzzy or ragged edges. Nothing is loose or hanging.